Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Eji Sir, lecturer, Department of Biology, St. Gregory's High School and College. I hope you guys are fine. Today, we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 10, coordination, and we are going to discuss coordination of plants, phytohormone, and within phytohormone, we will discuss about auxin. So, what is actually coordination? What do you mean by coordination? Coordination is a function. Coordination is the function of management which ensures that different departments and groups work in sync. Coordination is the ability to use different parts of the plant together smoothly and efficiently. In the lifespan of a plant, the stages in this life cycle, such as germination, growth, and development, flowering, the development of fruit, dormancy, etc., follow a systematic rules. Okay. Since the nervous system doesn't exist in plants, they use a chemical system. Plant coordinates their behavior against environmental changes with the help of hormones. Plant have various hormones that help them to coordinate growth and response to the environment. You can see some very important lines that I have mentioned in this slide. All living organisms respond to environment stimuli. Plants can respond to changes in environmental stimuli for survival. For example, light, water, and gravity. You have seen a lots of plants all around you, but are they of the same size or height? No, definitely not. You may see some big trees, some medium-sized trees, some medium-sized shrubs, or even plant saplings. This tells us that plants exhibit some growth changes as well as some movements. This coordination in plants is attributed to the presence of plant hormones. Okay. These responses are usually much slower than animals, but in plants, due to coordination is due to the result of a chemical system wherein plant hormones or phytohormones may have a major role. That means all the plant hormones we are going to discuss about is also named as phytohormone. Phyto means plant. Okay, phyto means plant. That means phytohormone means plant hormones. They are responsible for the control and coordination of plants. There are different types of hormones which affect the growth of a plant. Phytohormones are chemical compounds which are released by stimulated cells. Okay. And these chemical compounds which are released by the stimulated cells are actually always diffused around the cell. Okay, that means hormones are always diffused around the cells. These hormones are diffused around the plant cells and they have a role in cell division, cell enlargement, cell differentiation, fruit growth, falling of leaves, ripening of fruits, as in aging of plants, etc., etc. That means there are various roles of a plant body. They are supported by plant hormone. And now we'll discuss about auxin here. Auxin is also known as plant hormone. It's a very important plant hormone as well. Auxin is a plant hormone that controls growth of a cell. Actually, auxin synthesized at the tip of the stem, or the tip of the stem, and help in plant growth by elongating the cell. Okay, that means it promotes cell elongation and growth of stem and as well as root. It is mostly made in the tips of the growing stems and roots and can diffuse to other parts of the stems or roots. Auxin controls a plant response to light and gravity. That means it has a sensitivity to light or gravity. You may see it in the diagram that has been given in the right side of your screen. When the plant stem getting the light, from which angle it's getting the light, it will be elongated to that direction. Okay, the cell elongation will be directed to the direction where they can get the most of the light. It causes apical dominance, and auxins promote cell enlargement, cell differentiation and fruit growth. I hope you have understood what I tried to say here, what I tried to describe here and explain here as well. So still, if you have any question, any doubt, you are welcome to ask me. So boys, try to stay home, stay safe, and please, before going out, wear a mask. Goodbye, take care.